DJT stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Trump media and technology stock, and I have no bad words about the consistency of this bullish trend that's been going on. We quite literally have gone up around 224% in the span of 30 days, 31 days. And that's a cool amount, right? Props to the people who got in that slow. From myself, from a day swing trade perspective, I'm still looking to take this thing even higher. Now, yeah, how this thing moves, the likelihood of the rules being met here is quite slim, and more likely than not, we're just gonna clear the highs out. But the whole point of this game is sticking to the plan, right? Sticking to the strategy, because I've tested this for 30,000 videos, refined it over time. This is like version 10 iteration, right? So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. Obviously, elections coming, so this is going to be exciting. See ya. Only going to buy if the price gives me the rules, of course.